हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू प्रायशो एजू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 9 में साइंस सब्जेक्ट में जो हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 3 है करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जिसमें आज हम स्टेट वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स वो देखेंगे। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चन है इसमें। लेकिन इसके पहले स्टूडेंट, मेरी आप सबसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, फॉर मोर वीडियोज, वर्कशीट्स एंड टेस्ट पेपर्स काइंडली विजिट एट www.praishoeju.com, जिसकी लिंक हमने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है। तो चलो देखते हैं ट्रू और फॉल्स। फर्स्ट है, ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिक डिवाइसेस कैन नॉट बी रन विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड द आंसर इज ट्रू। मैं स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे T फॉर ट्रू लिखूंगी तो आपको समझ जाएगा, F फॉर फॉल्स लिखूंगी। नेक्स्ट इज द लाइटनिंग दैट स्ट्राइक्स द अर्थ इज एन एक्सेलेंट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेचुरल फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड द आंसर इज ट्रू। Next one, the difference between the values of potential at 2 points A and B is called the potential difference between them, and the correct answer is true. Next one is the potential difference sets the electrons in motion, and the correct answer is true. Next question is the amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B is called the electric potential between the 2 points, and the answer is true. Next one is the unit of potential difference in SI system is joule, and the answer is false. Next one is George Simon Ohm constructed the first electric cell, and the answer is false. Next one is every atom of a metallic conductor has one or more outermost electrons which are very weakly bound to the nucleus. These are called free electrons, and the correct answer is true. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, नेक्स्ट वन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैन इजीली मूव फ्रॉम वन पार्ट ऑफ अ कंडक्टर टू इट्स अदर पार्ट्स, एंड द आंसर इज ट्रू. Next one is the free electrons in a conductor are the carriers of positive charge, and the correct answer is false. Next one, when we connect the ends of the wire to the two terminals of a cell, electric force acts on the electrons, and the answer is true. Next one is an electric current is the flow of electrons through a insulator, and the answer is false. Next one, if a charge Q is flowing through cross section of a conductor in time t, and the answer is true. Next one is the unit of charge in SI units is coulomb, and the answer is true. Next one, current is expressed in ampere, and the answer is true. The next one is the charge of one electron is 2.2 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19 C, and the answer is false. Next question is 1 ampere current is said to flow in a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flows through it every second, and the answer is true. Next one, the French mathematician and scientist Ampere conducted a number of experiments on electricity, and the answer is true. Next one, the unit of resistance called ohm, and the answer is true. Next question है, if 1 ampere current flows through a conductor when 1 volt potential difference is applied between its ends, then the resistance of the conductor is 1 ohm, and the correct answer for this question is true. Next one, there are large number of free electrons in a conductor, and the answer is true. Next one, when a potential difference is applied between the two ends of the conductor, the electrons start moving from the end at higher potential to the end of lower potential, and the correct answer is false. Next one, moving electrons strike the atoms and ions which lie along their path, and the answer is true. Next one, German physicist and George Simon Ohm established a law for measuring the resistance of a conductor, and the answer is true. Next one, the unit of resistivity in SI unit is ohm meter, and the answer is true. Next one, resistivity is a specific property of a material and different materials have different resistivity, and the answer is true. Next one is a continuous path of an electric current through conducting wires connected to the two ends of a cell, and the other resistance is called an electric circuit. And the answer for this question is true. Next one is ammeter is used to measure potential difference. False. Next one is voltmeter is used to measure current. Answer is false. Next question say voltmeter has a very high resistance, only very small current flows through it, and the answer is true. Next one, those substance which have very low resistance are called conductor, and the answer is true. Next question is those substances which have extremely high resistance and through which current can flow are called insulator, and the answer is true. Next question is three resistors are connected so that they follow one after the another in a single line. These resistors are said to be connected in parallel, and the answer is false. Next one, the resistance of some conductors becomes nearly zero if their temperature is decreased up to a certain value close to OK. Such conductors are called superconductors, and the answer for this question is true. सो स्टूडेंट ये थे ट्रू और फॉल्स जो हमने स्पेशली आपके लिए तैयार किए हैं क्योंकि आपकी प्रैक्टिस और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छी हो सके और आपको आपके आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना, और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बाजू में दिए हुए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करो। तो स्टूडेंट इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए आपका दिन शुभ रहे। थैंक यू।